Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Salin. Today I will share with you about a new billion project named as Dollar Sonic. I will share with you all the detail in this video. It is a community coin. I will share the detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. I will share in this video about their coin address, their feature, that how you can get to know about it, how it is unique from all other project. I will share their community. I will also share their exchanges on which it is already listed. You can easily be able to make money on it too. So you have to just go and buy it. At that time its price is low, but in the future its price will goes up and you can achieve its bull market and you can make money from selling it in the bull market when its price is high. I will share with you that how you can earn with Dollar Sonic. I will share their tokenomics too, white paper, and all their links will be given in my video description. So before starting the video, must subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So here you see coin address, their feature, community, dex screener, coin market cap, dex tool, white paper, Dollar Sonic with earning, that how you can earn with Dollar Sonic. Their tokenomics, everything is given. Here they have the different logos of Sonic. As you know about the Sonic, it is a basically popular project, and you know already about the Sonic ads from their cartoons, from their Netflix series, and you can see it here. So dollar earn with Dollar Sonic, you can earn with Dollar Sonic. How you can earn that, I will share further with you this side, this link. So Dollar Sonic is their symbol. It's as only future Dollar Sonic will scroll down. Are you one of them? So if you are the holder of Dollar Sonic, if you want to be the holder of it, you can to know, you can go down and you can work on them and you can be a one of them and you can make your money in the billionaire sector. So elevate your status, you can elevate your status. It's time for wealth. You can make money from your limited resources, and you can have to copy the contract address and go to the Sonic basically page from where you can be able to buy it. You have to buy Dollar Sonic today and you can make your future bright future, and you can be a billionaire in the future. So here is their contact address is given. I will give this link in my video description and also give the address. You can easily be able to add it in your wallet. The features for the financially ambitious, you get there are features for the financial ambitious. So if you are basically ambitious about your financial freedom and it is a good project, it is a good opportunity for you, at that time its price is also low. You can see it here, mint rich meme. So mint rich meme means it is the only wealthiest looking meme that you can go and it will cut and it will make you wealthy. So Dollar Sonic utility, that if you go and buy Dollar Sonic, you can be able to use it. It also have the utility. I will share with you. They have the payment method, you can use that. Marketing services, you can use by Dollar Sonic. You can use Dollar Sonic and get your marketing services. You can use it in their ecosystem, like Dollar Sonic token holder can use their token in the future to purchase different services for their businesses, and they can already establish here. So the Dollar Sonic community includes 6 different business collectively, and from that they will generate 35 million in the revenue. These businesses are basically sustainable and substantial, employing, and these are over 800 people. So you can be a part of the biggest community here, and as you know, it is on the Solana token meme space. So on this achieved, they will work on increasing the volume with the rest of the team, and they will go for the earn rewards. You can also earn rewards if you have basically Dollar Sonic. You can a holder of it. If you are their holder, you can earn reward. You will get support user staking also on this, and you can receive more money, more token on it. You can use it for NFT. They will support the creation of NFT which user can purchase and collect, become a Sonic and flow. So you can see no brokies allowed. Dollar Sonic community is spending money to fuel rocket to the moon. $8,000 plus basically spent in dex screener, and ads on the $3,600 plus spent in dex tools, ads, and all Telegram ads, Sonic giveaways sector. So they are working on it and making it a brilliant, and you can see it is a billion already, so you can make money on it. So they have the tokenomics here team, vested over 2 year, have 10%, and they have the community reward which is 30%. So you can be a part of the community by joining them on Twitter, Telegram, and also by joining mainly from buying this dollar Sonic. And its price at that time is low, but in the future its price will goes up, and you can be have a good project here. So you can be a billionaire from this project. You can make your money by this one. So marketing and partnership, it have 20% here. The staking reward is 28.39%. They have joined the dollar Sonic community, join Telegram, you can join their Twitter here. So if you want to be a part of their community, you must go and join them on Telegram and Twitter. They will share their latest news on these, and you can get to know about it, about their giveaways, about their reward system, about anything they are going on. So you can achieve that opportunity from here. Ready to leave the brockies behind, rocket with the dollar Sonic to the lifestyle of the rich and hilarious. Let's get to the wealthy in memes. So you can see their details are given. So now I will share with you that how you can earn with dollar Sonic. So first of all, I will share that you can earn. Let me invite you the Sonic community and start earning today. You can easily be able to join it, and you can start earning today. They have the giveaways here, you can see it here. So how to become a dollar Sonic and dollar earn. So you can see, first of all, you have to join them on Telegram, Twitter, and you have to sign up on both. And after that you have to step up for the competition community group, and they have the competition. You can be able to earn from it. You have to join the competition in order to receive the raids, to collect the experience point, which is the XP. You can see it here. They have Sonic coin verify. You have to verify, and after the verification you can be able to be a part of their basically the group after joining that. You can see it here. They have bot which is given here. You have to touch on the start. They have the link for the Twitter, they have the link for the ETH and BNB wallet, link for Sol. You can see all that is given. You have to first of all join them, and after that you have to connect your Twitter and Sol address to earn. Once successfully linked your Twitter and wallet address, the bot will now watch your activity in the channel and raids to increase your points. And after that you can be able, so you can there's daily giveaway and competitions going on. So must go and do join. The bot will see your activeness, and they will give you the reward according to your activeness. So attention or time to earn. So after getting that, you are ready to earn now, and on your right you will see how to competition looks, where you can see it here, all the competition you can earn. If your account is not collecting XP point, it's maybe because your account Twitter account is not linked correctly or has been banned. Please double check this, or try using a different Twitter account so that you can earn that amount from here. So see top 20 earners, and you will get 300, 600 and 900, for example, paid out leaderboard rewards. And you can see it here. They have the likes points, like 0 to 10, repost is 0 to 80 plus. So you have to join it and get to it. So further they have the basically dex screener here. You can see the price at that time is low, but in the future it will goes up, and you can be able, you can see it is 2.39% from the last hour. It's going up, so must go and buy it so that you can achieve that opportunity. You can see it here, from the last one it is going down, and it is a good opportunity for the persons who want to get bonus from it, and they can easily be able to buy it. So the next option is about their dex tool. You can buy it from here, and it is Sonic over Sol is given. You can also be able to buy it from CoinGecko, and Sonic price previews only. It is at that time preview, but it will be given here further, so you can easily be a part of it. I will share with you about their white paper. They have the white paper. They have the outline and technical details of the Sonic platform, primarily designed for high throughput demand and provide scalable solution. So they have the scalability and performance. They have addressed the performance or limitation faced by the Solana blockchain. The platform is basically designed to manage high volume of transaction typically generated by the games and other D apps. They have the target growth, that they have targeted about the growth. They will reach 1000 wallet accounts by 2024, and they have the daily transaction in 1 billion of daily transaction by 2026. So you can join them and you can be a part of the team. So they have basically you can also achieve money from it as the price will goes up. They have the tokens and Sonic token. The white paper focus on DeFi tokens with a strong emphasis on security and reliability. So you can see it here, they have the dynamics and you can see all the detail. You can go and join them on Telegram. I will recommend you to must go on join them on Telegram, because your activeness, your only basically activeness and working, you are showing with your bot, and if it show that you are working and doing work on this project and you are active on it, you are responding to them, you will get the basically points and you can earn from $Sonic. So you can see for being a part of the participant of this Telegram competition or Telegram work, you have to must join them on the Twitter. You have to add it here. So if your Twitter is account is added, you can be a part of this. Basically they are working on Telegram. You can see Sonic is given here. Sonic 1k likes and 1k reposts, 1k replies, and drop your Solana address. I will pick one winner. You can be a part of their giveaway winners, as it is listing on Telegrams and also on the Twitter. You can make money from these two, and you can also hold it so that you can make money in the future. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel, also do your own research before investing in it. I share with you its brilliant points with you. You have to do your own research before investing. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, and thank you for watching.